Today I'm reviewing Copy.ai. This is an amazing platform. You just write a few lines and you get perfectly done for you text.
Correct!
That's right, I will show you this on this video. Basically, I'm walking you through the process of creating amazing copy. Before we get started, there is a link down in the description. You get 7-day free trial just for you to try it to see if it's right for you or your business. Let's get started. So now let's go and put this platform to the test. You have several options right here, but I recommend you go to actions and then create a new project. This way you keep it organized if you're doing copy for different purposes. Right here we have project name, so I already have a few business ideas, etc. that I just generated to create samples for you. So right here I have a smart water bottle, so I copy this. So we put it right here, and then the website name we'll put a smart water bottle.com. And then we choose a tone for the copy. Right here, we're trying to make it a little bit friendly for our product description, okay? Then we click save.
That's brilliant.
So right here, you will see the first project. And then we can go to the playground to actually start creating copy inside this specific project. The first type of copy we're creating is product descriptions for our website. So right here, we're going to copy the name of the business and then paste it right here. And then for the description, we're going to copy this right here and then we're going to paste it. Right here, you see that we have 413 characters. So we have to delete some lines in order for the platform to get started. So we delete right here and then we are in 344. Then we click need help targeting a more specific audience, and yes, this way we're putting more input into the platform and we'll get even better results.
Okay.
Right here we have target audience. For our specific example, we can put gym lovers. And then occasion, let's say that we're running an end of the year sale, and then the promotion we can put free shipping plus 10% off. Then we can click create and then we'll have our first results. And then we are ready to go. Okay, right here we have
this smart water bottle is a consumer-friendly water bottle design with over 10 sensors, etc.
You can see how in-depth the copy is. You can pause this video and actually see how well written it is for your product descriptions. So after this, let's say that you're liking one better than the other one. So let's go and click specifically this one and then we click make more. So Copy.ai suggests that you make more every time. This way the AI starts learning more and more what you're looking for this specific product description. So right here we see a new section that it was generated with even more copy, just like the one that we liked. So right here we have
Meet the H2O Pal, the water bottle designed specific for your health and fitness goals. We track how much water you drink in real time and help you reach your daily goal, etc.
And then we have so much detail. You have different length. You have so much copy that you can actually use for your product's descriptions. So right here, after you find the one that you like, let's say that we like this one right here.
So we create a water bottle that is both sleek in design and functionality, etc.
So we click the heart right here and then we save. So right here we go to view save. We'll have this specific one that we saved.
Cool.
Also, you can export the saves as a CSV file, which is super powerful if you have a lot of copywriting that you just generated. Then you can also share it as a link, or you can copy the actual text and then paste it inside your product description. Also, you have different languages. Let's say that you are creating an e-commerce store in Spanish. So right here, we're inputting language in English, okay? Right here, you can see we put everything in English, and then we can put input language. It will be English American, and then the output, let's pick Spanish, because let's say that we are creating an e-commerce store in Spanish and we need amazing copy in that language. Right here, we click Spanish and then we're ready to go. Let's click create. And then from a few lines in English, we have amazing copy right here in Spanish, ready to use like a professional just wrote the copy. So now let's go to the Instagram captions features. So now let's go and copy the fitness coach description for our Instagram post. So right here we pasted what is your post about. We have a simple description of our post. You can also be a little bit more targeted as we did before, but for this time I'm keeping it simple. So let's go and click create. And then we get amazing copy for our Instagram captions. So right here we have
Get summer ready with customized workouts designed for your goals. This offer just got sweeter. 1 free week trial when you sign up today.
and then the actual website. You can see amazing, ready to use. We can favorite this one and then it will be right here. Then we have
Let this be your summer motivation to get to the next level. Use code.
etc. You can put your own code if you want. Then we can save this one. Then we have
You never will attain perfection, but you can always get better.
see amazing copy. You're using statements. People will actually start engaging when they see this type of copy. So we can actually save this one, and then we want to make more of this one right here. So we click make more. So right here we go down,
You will never reach perfection, but that's okay.
and then we have
Living a healthy life is far simpler than it seems.
you'll see amazing options from just a few lines that we put in the beginning right here. So right here we have blog ideas. When we click it, it's the same thing. We have a product brand name and then we describe your product. So for example, we're going to do the flex desk and we are going to select this description, which is a little bit too long. So maybe we can do this part right here. And then we paste inside the describe your product section. And then right here, we're going to do target audience. We'll put work from home, occasion, let's put Black Friday. And then the promotion, let's put free shipping. And then let's click create.
Count me in.
And right here, we have amazing copy once again for blog ideas. We have
Tips for working from home with your new standing desk. A review of the flex desk along with some tips from someone who works from home.
So right here you have amazing headlines just for you to start writing a blog. Let's say that you're trying to come up with ideas for YouTube videos, Instagram posts, or whatever you're trying to do online for content creation. You can use these titles to actually go from there. It's an amazing tool to actually generate ideas. We have, for example,
How to make money working from home, a blog around the best tips on working from home. 7 tips to working from home successfully, a blog about how you can work from home and succeed.
obviously you write about this and then you mention inside the blog something about the product that we have, the product that we're trying to sell. But right here you have amazing ideas for your target audience. So now let's go to bullet point to paragraphs. So right here we have friendly home improvement, which will be the name of the business. And then let's go and paste our bullet point list, as you can see right here. And then we go ahead and pasted it right here. And then let's click create. Right here we have, as you can see,
Are you looking for affordable quality home repairs in South Florida? Welcome to Repair Me. I'm Alison blah blah.
and then you can go ahead and take this and then customize it for your own business. As you can see, you don't have the time to start brainstorming every time you're going to start writing paragraph. Just go ahead inside Copy.ai and then generate your ideas right away. And then lastly, we have bullet points to blog. Instead of a paragraph, we're writing a blog from bullet points. So right here, let's select this one and then let's use the same bullet points that we have right here, the same blog title, so we can save time. Let's click create and let's see what the system brings. So now we have 2 different options right here because obviously we're not putting a ton of information in the input section. However, as I told you, the more you click make more, the more accurate it will get with your style. So right here, let's go and pick this one right here. So now we have even more options from the initial ones, and then we click make more, and then we even have more and more and more. Okay, so that is it for today, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.